first time we are going to execute the MOU with the educational institution. We have studied an MOU, but it was with the learning over taking over program, but it is a different program. It is a different program, but today it is the first time in Tripura we are entering into the MOU with the educational institute at our NLU Tripura. And for this MOU, this matter was lingering for a long time. Because whenever you execute an MOU, you have to take permission from the headquarters, from Gandhinagar. Unfortunately, somewhere it was stuck up. Then one day I met our honorable VC sir, and he just advised me that we want to do it as quickly as possible. Then again I kept on pursuing. And only few days back we got the approved, and immediately I have showed him the papers and he has agreed. Now we want to execute the MOU here. Moreover, the MOU with the law, I think law university is very, very important. Because you know the whole criminal justice system in our country is very, very complex. Because if you consider the law in the entire investigation process, the core is the police, investigating agency. Then comes your forensic science laboratory, then comes medical legal expert, then comes judiciary, then comes correctional services. So this is a very complex system. But the whole complex system sits over the law. So everybody is bound with the law. And everybody is an interlock. I cannot work without the police, and law cannot work without the police. So this whole chain, we are all interlocked one by. But our objective is one, because we are searchers of truth. Everybody is searching for truth, whether the police or the judiciary or the forensic scientist or the medical science. So the purpose is solved. Generally, we will be successful. So we are interlocked with each other. We can't work without others. So second thing, today is a very ceremonious day, is a very important day for us. It will be written in the history of our NFSU Tripura campus, and we are proud that we are going to have this affair with the law department first time. So it is a great achievement for us. Second thing, today you must have known in the newspaper, because of the existence of law, if you have read the local newspaper, today one person got imprisoned, 20 was imprisoned because of sexual offences. That was also because of one law only. And one of the doctor, he had some results with some under section 376 and also some BNS cases. He is registered and his complaint has been lodged. He is getting the punishment. So without law, we are in dark. So without law, we cannot move. So law is the main thing in our society. So the entire society becoming chaotic if there is not any law. So we must give whatever benefit after the MOU is executed, we must take it sincerely. We must see that both the organization, NFSU and also the department get the benefit, because you have to learn law from them, and they also now the evidence or scientific evidence how it is built up from case study that will extend to the students also. Then only we can have a healthy criminal justice system in our country. And this is the slogan of the Prime Minister also and the President of India also. Thank you very much.
It's going to be very, very important milestone for both the institution and for the state of Tripura and for our justice delivery system in the state of Tripura and in Agartala. We will utilize, we can organize joint workshops, we can organize joint courses. Our law teachers, criminal law teachers can come and teach here law related to crime. The teachers from forensic science, they can come and they can, and this is not only for law, even for general understanding. Constitution, the fundamental law of the country, says that we need to develop a scientific temper. This is one of the fundamental duties in the Constitution. We don't talk about duties, we only talk about our rights more often. But one of the duties says that every citizen must develop a scientific temper. So आप law छोड़ दीजिए, even as an ordinary citizen we must rely, we must develop a scientific temper. So these are scientific techniques, and we should learn and we should strengthen our justice delivery system, because we all are searching truth, sir has mentioned. So I hope that this will go in a long way, and we all will be benefited by this memorandum of understanding. And I would request all the faculty members to actively participate. This should not be only, it should not result in only for the sake of signing we have, because in NAC and NIRF we need to give that how many MOUs we have signed. So this should not remain like this, and we should utilize this memorandum of understanding to best possible extent. We can offer certificate courses jointly prepared by, and we can generate revenue also for both the institutions. So a lot of opportunities are there, and I am very grateful to you, sir, that you helped us for signing this MOU. And I spoke to today's, I think she called also Dr. Purvi Pokhariyal, director of the Delhi campus, and she also congratulated that both the institutions will work together and will help each other in future. Thank you so much, all the faculty members.